The last 4 years in Hong Kong recorded 4 out of the 6 hottest years ever experienced in the city. The number of hot nights, where the temperature is above 28 degrees Celsius, has increased exponentially since 1970 and is projected to exceed 5 months of the year by the end of the century. The increased frequency and intensity of typhoons is being felt every year, and our harbour city is under real threat from extreme weather events and rising sea levels. Climate change has already happened. The science is compelling, the evidence is undeniable, and the consequences of our further apathy could threaten our very existence. We must act now. As a contractor working in a city where the buildings account for 90% of electricity use and generating over 60% of its carbon emissions, we are ideally placed to make a real contribution to Hong Kong's 2050 carbon neutral commitment. Dragages Hong Kong has identified 4 key drivers to reduce our carbon emissions by 30% before 2030 and to be a genuine leader in the transformation towards a low-carbon construction industry. The first is about awareness and exerting a positive influence on our clients, partners and industry stakeholders, working together to identify low-carbon solutions that can be designed and incorporated into our projects now, and advocating change in the way tenders are assessed to put more weighting and value on low-carbon solutions. The second driver focuses upstream on the selection of construction materials. Substituting cement and PFA content with alternative binders in the concrete we use is our first priority. Procuring other low-carbon materials from suppliers who are actively reducing their own emissions in the manufacturing and distribution of their products. And introducing timber elements wherever possible in the buildings we deliver. For our third driver, we will work with our MEP subsidiary BuyMe to develop solutions for the thousands of buildings in Hong Kong, which are in fact the main source of carbon emissions in the city, creating a suite of solutions to improve energy efficiency, building services, facades, sensors and smart technologies combined to make a viable business case for building owners. And finally, reducing our own energy consumption in our projects and offices, minimising the use of fossil fuel plant and equipment on our sites, designing site offices that can be reused from one project to the next, using smart sensors and switches to eliminate energy waste, and working with our industry to prioritise the use of recycled materials as a first step towards a circular economy. At the United Nations Climate Action Summit in 2019, Greta Thunberg spoke passionately and candidly. "This is all wrong," she said. "You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words." And it's true that our words today mean nothing without real action. And it's only through those actions today that our children can realise their dreams for tomorrow.
I dream of the world when I can skiing every day in the mountains.
我嘅夢想係可以多啲樹、花同埋多啲新鮮空氣。I dream of the world to go hiking in green mountains.
I dream of the world where I can breathe the fresh air.
Let's climact. Let's climact.